Hello guys, let's create today we are talking about how to create a roof truss. You are welcome to my channel 3D car designs. Today shall be talking about roof truss design. For my last section of my tutorial, I got a comment that I should make a roof truss. I know how important it is in building construction. Roof trusses are used for framers. You know, it has an angle or it has a gable wall. So it's used for roof framers to take measurements of the rafters or the ridges and the lights and also the truss designs. So that is the buildings that has trusses. So let's jump into it. I'm not going to waste time. Please make sure you subscribe and like this tutorial. Just give it a thumbs up so that other people can see this tutorial. I am going to make another tutorial after this, how you can export this same drawing to AutoCAD. So we are going to be saving this plan. Then if you are the user of AutoCAD, you can actually use the AutoCAD. But right here, I'm going to be working on S12 of Chief Architect. And if you don't know how to use it, it's very simple. You can watch my other tutorials, or I will drop a new tutorial. If you want to know how to use the program very professionally, I can make a tutorial on that. So let's go ahead and create our roof truss. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here, I'm going to new section. I'm going to be using a wall of 19 by 23, 23 feet, 19 feet. So the program will give you an automatic dimension sizes. So you can equally change this to 19 feet while you change this to 23. All you need to is highlight the wall and it's done. So let's say we're having about 400 and something, 37 square feet of. So now the most important thing is you have to take the height of the ceiling. When creating truss, I usually use 10 feet. So let's use 10 feet so that you can see. So this is the height of our ceiling. So you can see the height of the ceiling is 10 feet, which is approximately 120 inches. I'm going to build foundation. I like using my foundation when I'm doing something like this so that when you have our second floor level, you will see the attic space. So I'm going to show you how to create the attic space. I want to build floor, build foundation, derive foundation from first floor, yes. So this is our foundation plan. And if you go there, you see that we have something this way. And I can equally create a terrace so we can see what we have here. So let me maybe from the ground level. So what is the next thing? We are going to create gable. We'll make this wall gable and we are making this one gable as well. So how do you make it? You highlight the wall, you open the object, you go to roof, you change it to, you can see an vertical pitch of 12. It's constant there, full gable wall. There is another way there is another way you can do that. I want to be sure it's highlighted. There's another way you can do that. You highlight here, you come here, look at this icon that looks like gable here. You can see the angle here. You click it, you see it has changed direction. So that means it is now gable. So what I'm going to do now, so design the roof now. You come here, you double tap this, build roof planes. You build roof planes, then this is auto review, but we don't need that for now. Okay, maybe in the next chapter I will explain what this thing works. But let's just build our roof because that is what we are trying to do. So if you can see, we have our roof. But if you look at here, we don't have If you look at here, we do not have any floor here. We do not have any floor. And here we are supposed to have an attic level here and here. So if you look, we don't have anything. So this is first floor. This is the ceiling. This is 10. If you remember, I gave it a 10 feet height, which is 120 inches. So let's build our attic level. I'm going to build a second floor here. So let's check the. When I usually like using 7 feet as the height, about 80 something is 4 inches. If you look at here, you see we have an attic level. Maybe we can go to glass house. You can see we have it to this level one foundation, this attic level, and this is where we are going to generate our roof. So let me show you how to make your attic. You go to second floor, you pick wall. So you can see. Then now you have this wall, but let's take a size of this walls. Let's say 4 feet, 4 feet. So you check this now. We are going to change this to attic so that when you go to 3D, you will see how it looks. You're going to see some sheetings. OSB 7/15. I want to make it look like a more professional. Let's go down to 3D so that you see what we have. I think you can see some signs here. You can see how this attic. So you can have maybe if you want to come here, you can have a stair. Sometimes you can have a stair here, maybe by adding doors here. Okay, maybe if you want to. So if you want me to add stair, no issue. Let me see. But that is not the essence of this tutorial. So, but let's continue. Let's leave that for now. I'll create the stair if you want. Stair. If you want the stair, you can create the stair. Just whichever way. So let's see. So maybe we can just. Um, I'm just trying to see if there's any way. It is never a pantry. I'm just trying to show you maybe if you want to, so you can see. If you want to create this there now, we can create this. Then we make it open it here, so you can walk into this place. So let's do what we are going supposed to do. Let's create our roof truss. We go to roof framing. We are going to build our framing. First, we build our wall framing. Build wall framing here. I said okay, and I'm going to build a second floor framing too. Build second floor framing. Yes. Let me use the framing reference. This is the sizes. This is the spacing. This is joist width. This is spacing size of the frame of the rafters and everything. So what I'm going to do now, since we have our active already, I'm going to now put the rafters, roof truss, sorry. So you can see we have our roof truss here. You see how quickly the roof truss balance because I've selected here as attic level. So this is the roof rafters. So let's go when you go to elevation, you see it. And also when you let but in this section we are going to a cross section so that we see what if you look at this, we are having something beautiful here. Okay. So I'm gonna go to our active layers. Let's turn out all our framing to see if what we are doing here, if it's actually working. So let's connect. Okay, you can see I have floor joist. This is the joist. This is the floor joist. 11, 12 by 2. Now we are going to look our roof trusses to see. So you can see that we have our roof trusses. This is how you create roof truss in Chief Architect. So I can export this quickly to AutoCAD and I change the color black and white or whichever I want. If you can see here, we have our footings of this foundation along. So we can cut this section. We can cut this section from here if you want and label them. Like we have our insulation here. You can see here we have insulation and you can see the footing. Maybe we are using 18 by 7 or 20 by 7 inches. So you can see and you can give it a dimension to see how the sizes look like. I like changing it to I like using feet so you can see how it looks. So this is how you create your please if you have any question on this tutorial, please drop it on the comment section or if there's anything you want me to do using this software, let me know on the comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe and like this button. Just tap on the button so that those who have not seen this they will see it. Thank you for watching and I appreciate you.